Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. No, bro. I'm going. No. Okay. Schiffes, stop. We're doing, kitted runs with my friend, Schiffes. Also, I did get, another MCX spear, which was really fun. Right, Schiffes? Yeah. Wait, no, they can't. Wait, no, we gotta go into, app. Okay, yeah, go into app.
What's up? Oh crap.
Yeah, say hi to YouTube, Schiffes. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Bro, wait. Go back into call and then go back into app. Now go back into app. Your mic was like glitchy.
Okay, yo, what's up?
Okay, yeah, now it's better. Say, yo, what's up, YouTube?
Yo, what's up, YouTube? Summer VR guys gonna carry it to me and get some good stuff.
Oh wait, yeah. I forgot. I'm also giving you a Tapco SKS with a drum.
WW.
W, yeah. Rate me out of 10, like as a Tabor player.
10 out of 10.
10.
Really?
And as a friend.
10 out of 10, bro. Best friend.
Exactly. Me and him are boys. Man. Okay, yeah, so I'm just gonna get out this Tapco SKS for you. It's just gonna also be in your backpack, okay? Remember,
Okay.
I showed you that picture. I'm rich, okay? I'm rich. You don't need to worry about that stuff. But, like, you're taking all my loot, you know? You don't need to worry about that. You're not taking my loot. I'm rich. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready up.
Alright. Okay, well, let me jump down to the explosion. Ooh.
Go to call and then go back to app. It's not working. I know, it's so laggy here. Let's just talk in call. It's fine. Guys, there's been a change of plan. We're just gonna talk and call. You guys, I don't think are gonna be able to hear him. Oh, they can? Sick. Okay. No, he said he was an app. Yeah. Okay. It was my doing kitted AK Alpha raids with my friend Daisy GT, the one that I TK'd. Yeah, bro, that was Daisy. Good times. Okay, are you ready? Okay. I swear, if this backpack glitches, I'm gonna be so mad. No. So capital SUMMER, capital GUI, and there's no VR, okay? That's it. No. Okay, it's not VR, it's just Summer Guy, right? It's a picture of an orange monkey, okay? Yeah, pretty, or like orangish red. Yeah, that's me. Yeah. Bro. Okay. We're joining server. Get off YouTube, bro. Do I sound like a little bit older from then? Yeah. Yeah, DZGT. That was the one you told me to Team kill. Not T-kill. Okay, now I got video proof. I could just tell DCGT. I'm not. I don't think you're gonna get banned. Ooh. No, me and you are not gonna get banned. Just gonna say that. For team killing once, we're fine. Okay, your stuff is in this. Yep. Your hat. That's not AK. Put that in the backpack. No, put that in the backpack. Put that in the backpack. Okay. This is your gun. That's your gun. That's your gun. That's called the Tapco SKS. The one right there. And, no. Okay, and there's that. Yeah, I know. I can fill it up with that, okay? Boop. And then, boop. There you go. I got both of them for you. Oh, yeah. That one's for you, and the one in the backpack is also for you. But that one's the one in the backpack, is for later. Okay? Maybe like 5 foot. 5'2" with my Crocs, so. My height is just like lower since, yeah. Here, wait, move. 411. Shorty. Oh, my bad. Okay, he's dead. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, so when there's, like a... Whoa! What? Wait, can I hold the gun? Can I hold the gun? Can I hold the gun? What? Bro, wait, that feels actually pretty good. Is there still recoil? Oh. Here you go. Oh, no. Bro, what is this? Wait, is there recoil? Is there recoil? There's 0 recoil. Feel that. There's 0 recoil on that, my brother. Zero recoil. Why am I? Oh no, bro! I got the glitch. Wait, I think I got the glitch. Wait, bro! I'm so slow. Why am I so slow? Wait, is it because my 2.6? No. Wait, I'm so... Everything's off right now. Everything is off. My stamina's great. I weigh 5 kg for some reason. What the heck? Yeah. Oh, don't take that. That's mine. Bro, can you just go a little bit slower to, like... Bro, look how slow I am. I'm 45. Why? Whoa. What? Check your mags, bro. I don't think you have any mags. Where's your mags? Right, you have 0 mags. No, like on your thing. Oh, it's still there. Wait, I know what's the glitch. Yeah, it's glitched. Wait, take it out and put it back in. Take it out and put it back in. Thank you. I think that's what my game is laggy for. Ooh. They're falling out. Here, there's one more. Oh, wait, okay, there you go. You don't like it? Here, give me a gun. Bruh, there's no wait, is it? What? There's 0 magazine for me. Shoot, there are people shooting at me. Get your gun, get your gun. Airdrop! Why are you shooting like that? Why are you shooting like that? Wait. Got him. Airdrop! Look up. Yeah, I think that's coming to us. Where's that? No way that's... No way that's prison. Drop. Drop it. I don't think you can spawn over there. Can it? Oh, I never knew that. Okay. Yeah, bro, I'm so slow. Same. What? Never happens. Just drop it, drop it, drop it. Ooh, there's a ghost. There's a that's a freaking ghost. Shoot it. Die! Die, you fuck. Okay, it died! It died! It died! Oh shoot, I don't think it died. Whew. Okay. Grab your armor back. Okay, there you go. Okay. What? Okay, there you go. I know. I know. No? I think it's still going. No, that's definitely over at docks. I think our just perspective is off. How are you so fast? Yeah, like, can I try? Do you have any energy drinks? Oh, why am I so slow? I don't think I'm gonna be able to get out with this. Don't die, please, don't die. The one behind us is dead. One down. Yeah. All of them are down. 1, 2. Yeah, it's really buggy. Okay. I dare you to flashbang me with your flashlight. Ah! My eyes! Bro, where did that drop? Oh, it's right there! Bro, it dropped right here! It dropped right here! Look! I know! What? It's right here, bro. Get the airdrop. Tell me if there's any keycards. I cannot move. Yeah, that would actually be pretty logical. Just kill me, bro. Why? Open it. Tap him. What is it? AK Alpha? Go? Okay. Bitcoin? What do you mean Bitcoin? Come out. I want to see what the Bitcoin looks like. I've never seen one. What do you mean by a Bitcoin? Wait, can I see? Okay, yeah. Oh, tier 5! Yeah, same thing. Move. What? I know. MP7, I'll take it. Where? I don't see anything. Oh, yeah, right there. Okay. I was like, what are you talking about, bro? Not a lot. You can't buy it. Ooh. Yeah, I have one in my bunker. I'm a collector, actually, of these. No, they sell for like $2. But I'm a collector, though. I don't know. You need water? I got water. Right there. Drink it. Make sure to keep the cap. Like, put the cap back on. Yeah, that one's pretty big. I don't know. Yeah, I know. You probably should just shoot me. Wait, actually, let's just wait in the airdrop, right? Bro, why'd you drop the tier 5? Why? Oh, it's open. It's open. Okay. Now that everything's open, take my stuff. Okay. Take my stuff. Shoot me. Shoot me. Use everything. Okay. Everything. Okay. Take all the mags out on this. Okay. Open your backpack. Open your backpack. Okay. I know. Can you fit that in there for me? Here. You know, just take my Ragnar. Oh wait, oh, it's right here. Here, I'll just fit everything in my Ragnar, and then yeah. Open your backpack. You know. Oh. What do you want? Here, just carry that out. Carry that out. Then take my. Okay, take that. Shoot me with that. Shoot me in the face. You know, I want to stay like this. I want to stay like this. I want to see if I can survive. Stop. No. Okay, bro. What the heck? Okay, bro. What the heck, man? Alright. You kidding me? Wait, borders open? Oh, dang. Yeah, I do. It's right in there. I swear, if you don't get out, I'm gonna be so mad at you if you don't get out of this life, man. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. You mean at prison? You can wait. If border extraction is open, go there. Why not? Please don't die, bro. Wait, you should equip my armor. You died? Grab it with both hands, okay? Grab it with both hands. Why not? Bro, I worked so hard for that, man. I had to open a purple vote for the drum med. Please. Go. Okay, shoot them. Shoot them. What do you mean you can't? Okay, I'm gonna just shush. Lock in. Lock in. Good job, good job, good job. Heal, heal. Take all of my NRSs if you want. Take all of them, bro. All. Like, literally, I'm not kidding. Take all of them. What do you mean, hurry up? Heal, 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 heal. Remember what I told you. Okay, good job, good job, good job. I know, take the long way. There's gonna be scavs inside, okay? There's gonna be scavs inside, in docks. Yes, yes they can. They're either gonna be inside the first level or they're gonna be on the top. If they're on the top, go upstairs, shoot them so they can't shoot you back. If they're on the bottom, just still shoot them. They can always shoot you back, okay? Kill the scavs over there. What do you have in your backpack? Anything useful? Breach. You got this, man. Okay, yeah. Drop both backpacks at exfil, and then once you're back at exfil, huh? You're not gonna get it back. If you die when you're on squads, you're not gonna keep it. So I don't know. The game's just like that. You got this, man. Here, I'm gonna just go Batman. Pretend like you're Batman. Kill the scavs? Did you kill the scavs? Good job. Okay. Get your backpacks back. Go to exfil, okay? Exfil with the stuff. It's fine. Go back and get them. Nice. Good job. It's fine. There's food. There's food in my backpack. Eat that. Okay. I'll pray for you. Dear Tabor gods, give my friend Schiffes, Schiffes, 67. Huh? Okay, are you out of the raid? Okay, how close are you? Come on. Yeah. You're not gonna lose it. Keep your fingers on the grip. Hold it so tight. I know your hands are sweaty. Knees weak, arm heavy. Come on. Are you out? Good job. Okay. Let's go. Mate, are you It's fine. Don't even look at it. Just hit continue. Go back to safe house. Do you have the stuff? Okay. Do you have the stuff? Do you have my gun? Do you have your gun? Do you have all of the armor? Do you have my Ragnar? Good job, bro. You have everything. Okay, good job. Yeah. With the suppressor. The one with the suppressor. Okay, good job. Okay. Whoa! Okay, so here's what we're gonna go into another raid, right? Yeah. I'm guessing 12,000. I'm guessing 12,000. You have to sell it. To see. 12,000. No way. Excuse me. Let's go. I was the closest. Okay, you got out with the stuff, right? Get my helmet, right? Put it on the side of the backpack, okay? Okay, grab my gun. No, just follow my directions, okay? Directions, okay? Grab my gun. Put it on the side of the Ragnar. Okay? Good job. Now, put your helmet and your rig on, right? Get your gun, and then get my rig out of the backpack, and keep it in the backpack, okay? My chest rig, my armor. Yeah, everything. Okay, so my check everything. My helmet, my scar, my chest rig, and all of my ammo, okay? My drum mag and 2 of my standard mags are both of those in there. And my drum mag is in my gun right now. Let's go! Okay, bro, you're actually the freaking goat. You're the freaking goat. Yeah. Can you, yeah, would you do that for me? Thank you. Okay. Bro, actually, all of them, if you can. You mean my T6? Just fit it in there, okay? You put it back. You have your tier 5 on right now? And you have your backpack on? Oh, why? Do you still have your backpack? Okay, good job. So you have everything we had when we started. Like with the... Okay, good job.